Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Renault Trafic Crew Van Lifestyle, stock reference number 4099. This shape runs from the first month 2015 and is the current shape. It has an R9M 1.6 litre twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front and the left side. We have the left power door mirror, does have scratches. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left upper tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. It's got a factory fitted tow bar, 2-ton rated, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand upper tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear sliding door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror has some scratches along the bottom edge. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a 6-speed manual gear shifter, 6-speed manual gear knob, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.